In this video, we're going to replace this third brake light assembly on this Chevy Silverado. Let's get into it. There's two screws right here and right here. You want to take those out using a Phillips head screwdriver. Take that screw out. Take that screw out. Then just grab the light assembly and slide it off. Might be stuck on there a little bit. Just give it a little force. Or you could always use a trim tool if it's really stuck on there. And disconnect the connector. Just push down on the tab and slide it off. Use a little bit of soapy water and a rag and just clean up the area where the light is going to mount to the body. All right, that looks good. And you want to take the new light assembly and replace the bulbs. These are normally just test bulbs. So you twist the socket, slide that out to grab the bulb. Just grab it and it slides right out. This bulb is a 922. You just slide this in. Slide the socket in place and do the same for the other ones. Now plug the light in. Just line it up, lock it in place, slide it in position. Take your two screws. Get those both started. And just snug them down, not too tight.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.